Listen to that roar. Millions of pounds of reinforced steel, thousands of raw horsepower, and a scale that defies human logic. Welcome back to Beast Machine's world, the ultimate home for the titans of industry. From the deepest pits to the most brutal mining operations on the planet, these machines are the heavy metal backbone of our civilization. Today, we're diving into the technical grit of the excavators, dozers, and haul trucks that truly redefine the word power. Get ready, because the scale of what you're about to see is simply massive. Look at that jagged mess scattered across the floor. These fallen rock fragments are the primary culprits behind massive tire damage, costing a fortune in repairs and wasted downtime every time a truck goes flat. These debris obstruct the path of the massive XDE-260s, causing violent vibrations that destabilize the truck and lead to material falling off during transport. That's where the CAT 18M3 proves its worth. Its mission is to sweep every one of those hazardous chunks off the main line and cleanly onto the road berm. It clears the way so these titans can maintain their high-speed haul cadence without losing any of their load. This isn't just grading. It's the critical protection for the entire mining operation. Unstoppable force meets immovable object. This is the CAT D11M, a 230,000-pound powerhouse pushing a massive pile of rocks recently excavated from the scraper cut. Look at those boulders. They are massive enough to stop a main battle tank in its tracks. With over 800 horsepower and massive tractive effort, the D11 completely dominates the terrain. It just reshapes the earth, pushing tons of solid rock as if it were loose gravel. This is the raw definition of power. If you want to see what happens when the undisputed heavyweight champion takes on solid rock, you're looking at it. Working right in the shadow of that massive P&H cable shovel is the Komatsu WD600, the precision ground support specialist of the pit. Its mission is critical, performing high-speed floor maintenance to ensure these billion-pound loading units can maneuver without mechanical risk. By maintaining a perfect level grade, the WD600 eliminates uneven track wear and is indispensable for extending the lifespan of the entire fleet by up to 30%. With a 55,000-pound pushing capacity and a 24 mph sprint speed, this isn't just auxiliary equipment. It's a vital necessity that keeps the high production cycle from grinding to a halt. What do you think about the way these massive machines coordinate to keep the mine moving? Share your thoughts in the comments. Right on the edge of the cliff, this Kawasaki loader is facing off against a massive marble monolith. Watch as it uses its specialized forks to tip this waste block, deliberately weakened at the base, sending it crashing down to shatter for fast transport. Combining material handling precision with massive hydraulic breakout force, it processes and clears waste blocks instantly to keep the production cycle at full speed. It handles multi-ton loads with ease, ensuring nothing slows down the high-stakes output of this quarry. just inches away from a catastrophic strike. This is a high-stakes heavy-haul operation, moving a legendary Caterpillar 777C off-road Titan using the precision of a MAN TGX 540 prime mover. We are talking about an oversized load weighing 162,000 pounds empty, requiring a specialized heavy-duty low-bed trailer and 540 HP of high-torque muscle to keep it steady. Look at the tension in this tunnel. The 777C stands over 13 feet tall, leaving absolutely zero room for error against the concrete ceiling. It takes more than just the MAN's 540 horsepower. It's about the stability and intelligent braking systems needed to manage this 870 horsepower beast under low conveyors and tight power lines. This is the ultimate proof of road-bound logistics, delivering a massive payload to the next job site safely. Look at that massive swing. This is the Hitachi EX 2600-6, a 550,000-pound masterpiece of hydraulic fury. It's currently executing a high-speed loading cycle, filling this Caterpillar 777 dumper in just 4 massive passes. Think about that. Each individual bucket scoop carries enough material to fill your entire garage, moving tons of earth with every single movement. With 1,500 horsepower screaming under the hood, the EX 2600-6 doesn't just dig. It dominates the pit, maintaining a relentless production cadence that few machines can match. Watching the operator coordinate with the haul truck is like watching a heavy metal ballet, total precision under extreme load. We are right here in the cabin view of a mining legend, the Caterpillar 777. In this immersive 360-degree view, you can observe every inch of the cockpit, from the detailed control panel to the massive panoramic view of the pit from nearly 2 stories up. Feel the 870 horsepower engine vibrating through the floor as we maintain our haul cadence on these brutal, unyielding roads. Looking out from the cabin, watch closely as we pass a massive transport convoy. These moving walls of steel are the only thing that matches our scale, proving the sheer volume of material moving through this pit every single hour. Inside the cockpit, you can see every gauge and hydraulic control working in real time to manage nearly 200,000 pounds of empty iron with surgical precision. This is the ultimate heavy-duty experience that few ever get to see this closely. What part of this 360-degree immersion strikes you the most? Let me know in the comments. Take a look at the Liebherr 996, one of the largest hydraulic excavators on the planet. Standing taller than a 3-story building, this Titan is a masterpiece of scale, capable of scooping 45 cubic yards of material in a single pass. Under extreme load, you can hear the massive hydraulic pumps scream, a raw, mechanical roar that signals peak engineering performance. Watching it fill a haul truck is the ultimate display of raw power. It's not just digging, it's dominating the earth, one massive bucket at a time. Witness the sheer mechanical dominance of the P&H electric cable shovel, a true titan of the iron ore pit. This powerhouse is currently cycles through high-speed loading, filling these 133-ton Bell AZ trucks with relentless efficiency. But the most incredible sight isn't just the digging. It's the high-stakes coordination on the ground. As the shovel maneuvers, a single operator must carefully manage the massive high-voltage power cable. This cable is the machine's lifeline. If it gets snagged or crushed by the tracks, the entire operation goes dark. It's a delicate dance of man versus machine, ensuring this vital necessity of the mine keeps moving without catastrophic damage to its power source. This level of precision is exactly what keeps the high production cycle alive in this brutal environment. We look at a true legend of the coal fields, the Marion 7400 walking dragline at Keystone Anthracite. Watch the operator's incredible finesse with this massive bucket. It's all about the initial bite. The goal is to bury those teeth deep into the material right from the start of the drag. If the teeth only start cutting halfway through, you end up with a half-empty bucket and wasted cycle time. A perfectly timed cut ensures a consistent grade and a maxed-out load every single time. It is the ultimate display of precision engineering meeting veteran skill, proving that even with thousands of tons of steel, it's the small details that move mountains. That wraps up our look at the raw power keeping these massive operations alive. What do you think about the way these giants coordinate to maintain such an intense production cycle? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you love seeing heavy metal in action, hit like and subscribe to Beast Machines World to join our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next site.